Hi guys! For today's video, mag-unbox na naman tayo ng gifts na binigay sa akin. So, I am so happy to share with you guys ang lahat ng mga all of the things na ina-unbox ko ay binigay lang sa akin. Free gift for me. So, I'm so grateful. That's why I do this vlog. So, I received the 4 pieces of Shiglam. I think my employers ordered this, but they don't like. That's why they gave it to me. I don't know. I don't know the reason. But yeah, this is from Shiglam. Shiglam. Yeah. This is 4 pieces. The same, and I don't know what's inside. But yeah, and I am happy to receive all of these gifts. Okay. Well, let's open this, guys. Okay. It is Instafeel Brow Pencil. O, diba? Brow Pencil. Para sa akin. Kasi if you noticed, short lang yung brow ko. So, I think I received gift that I deserve from Shiglam. Shiglam is a product from China. Mixed packaging. Yes. But yeah, here we are. For external use only, keep out to reach children. Bawal pala sa mga children. Yeah, and this is it. Sobrang liit. Meron siyang liit na brush sa dulo. And then, meron din siyang pencil. This is it. Ganun lang. Konti lang dito lang ang kailangan kong dagdagan kasi. But I'm grateful kasi guys, free lang siya. So ang dyan, tapos dito, shape lang natin. Ganyan lang ako mag-eyebrows guys, para medyo simple-simple lang. Four pieces siya guys. Yan. Ganyan lang tayo para hindi halata. Bigay lang to lahat. Yung mga ito guys. Hindi naman kasi ako nagbibili talaga ng mga ganyan. Kasi for what? Pero pag may binigay sa akin, sino ba namang hindi, 'di ba? So one, diba, yung packaging nila ang ganda. Yes, only one inside. And this other one, we will check. Ang dami nitong binigay sa akin, mga 1 dozen. Pero itong 4, ito yung pinakabago. This other one, mas malaki siya guys. Ganun din. Maliit yung dulo niya pang eyebrow natin. This is Shiglam. Ito naman siya is liquid. So, liquid siya. So, what is this? Brows and Demand. Brows and on demand. 2-in-1 brow pencil. Crayon is sources 2-in-1 brows on demand. Liquid eyebrow pencil. Liquid pala siya. Liquid siya. Mas malaki siya kaysa sa isa. Ito maliit. Small and big one. And then, meron pa tayo dito. What is this? The same din. So, we have malaki. Dalawang malaki at dalawang maliit. From Shiglam SG. Hindi ko alam kung saan to na-order online. So, the same lang siya, guys. Okay. So, and this one is Youborn. Yeah, the same liquid, and so you have 2 in 1. So thank you so much sa nagbigay sa akin ng gift. This is for 2 in 1 eyebrow pencil. So happy and grateful, 'di ba? Kasi kung bibilhin mo pa to, it's I don't know if how much, because I don't have any idea kung magkano yung mga pampaganda. But thanks God, I'm so blessed na may nagbibigay sa akin ito. And I know na kailangan ko to, 'di ba? So, yeah, happy and grateful, and stay blessed. Love, love. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Nanny Nights, and I'm done with my unboxing with you guys. I am just sharing my blessings. Okay. Love lots. Bye-bye.